Hi students, now we are going to see the example 1.12. They gave 3 by 3 matrix to find A, B and C. They have given 3 by 3 matrix to find the value of A, B and C, and hence we have to find the A inverse. So first we have to find the value of A, B and C. One more condition they have given. The given matrix is orthogonal. Orthogonal means we know very well A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. Suppose if you are going to multiply with one matrix with its transpose of matrix, if you are getting the resultant matrix is a unit matrix, that is known as the orthogonal. Okay. So now we are going to find the value of A, B and C first. From that result we can find the value of A inverse. One more result we know, A inverse is equal to A transpose. Suppose the given matrix is orthogonal, A inverse is equal to A transpose. Now, suppose if you are finding the value of, we have to prove this and we have to find the value of A, B and C. Then if you are interchanging the rows into columns into rows, that is known as the A inverse. No need to find the A inverse by using that formula. Here they have given condition A inverse is equal to A transpose. If A is orthogonal, A transpose is equal to A transpose A equal to I. Now I am going to find the product of A into A transpose. First write A 1 by 7, 6 minus 3, A, B minus 2, 6, 2, C, 3. A transpose, we have to change row into column, column into row, 6 minus 3, A, B minus 2, 6, 2, C, 3. Now I am going to multiply A with A transpose by usual matrix multiplication. A transpose is equal to 1 by 7 into 6 minus 3, A, B minus 2, 6, 2, C, 3 into 1 by 7, 6, B, 2, minus 3, minus 2, C, A, 6, 3. Isn't it? These two numbers are constant term, so I am bringing first one by 49, usual matrix multiplication, 6 into 6, 36, minus into minus plus 9, A into A square. Second one, first row and second column, 6 into B, 6B, minus into minus plus 6, 6A. First row and third column, 12 minus 3C plus 3A. Now second row and first column, 6B plus 6 plus 6A. B square minus into minus plus 4 plus 36. 2B minus 2C plus 18. Third row, first column, 12 minus 3C plus 3A. 2B minus 2C plus 18. 2 2s are 4 plus C square plus 9. What we have the definition, A transpose is equal to I. So this value is equal to I. I also 3 by 3 matrix. Na? A transpose is equal to I. What is this A transpose? I am going to write the value 36 plus 9 plus a square, 6b plus 6 plus 6a, 12 minus 3c plus 3a. 6b plus 6 plus 6a, b square plus 4 plus 36, 2b minus 2c plus 18. 12 minus 3c plus 3a, 2b minus 2c plus 18, 4 plus c square plus 9. Here 1 by 49 will be there now, is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now I am going to multiply with 49 on both sides, means it will be cancelled here. Here I am getting 49. So this matrix is 49 0 0 0 49 0 0 0 49. Suppose if you are getting two matrices of the same order and it is equal, means we can equal the corresponding entries. So I am going to equate these corresponding entries. 36 plus 9 plus a square is equal to c. In this matrix first entry, 49. So a square is equal to 49 minus 45 is equal to 4. Next one, these two entries are 0, so no need to take this. Now I am going to this. For this, b square plus 4 plus 36 is equal to 49. Here 4 plus c square plus 9 is equal to 49. C square is equal to 49 minus 13, 36. Okay. Now see, we found a value now. We can use to find b. A is equal to a square is equal to 4. B square is equal to 49 minus 40, so 9. C square is equal to 36. You have to find ABC value. You be just take 12 minus 3c. We have to verify now. Here square it is coming, whether it is plus or minus. So we have to find the ABC value. See, this is equal to 0. In this you just take 2b minus 2c plus 18 equal to 0. Then 2b plus 6 plus 6a is equal to 0. So, if you are going to find the ABC from this by using elimination method, 3a minus 3c is equal to minus 12. 2b minus 2c is equal to minus 18. Suppose if you are going to cut this, means minus plus 3a minus 2b minus c. No need to take this kind of steps. We can find it easily. From this value, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 6, it will come. For this, we have to take the remaining terms. You have taken up, you just see 6b plus 6a is equal to minus 6. One more thing, 3a minus 3c is equal to minus 12. Now we are going to eliminate this, means it will be cancelled. 6b minus 3c is equal to minus 18. One more thing, you see here 2b minus 2c is equal to minus 18. It will be 0. Here minus c. 4b. 4b minus c is equal to 0. 4b minus c equal to 0. 2b minus 2c is equal to 18. Suppose if you are going to subtract from this, 2b plus c is equal to minus 18. From these two, again we get the b and c value. 4b minus c is equal to 0. 2b plus c is equal to minus 18. It will be cancelled. 6b is equal to minus 18. b is equal to minus 3. Okay. We found b value. You use b value in any one equation. We can get a value is 2, c value is 6. So we got ABC. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 6. We have to apply the values of ABC in the given matrix. A is equal to 1 by 7, 6 minus 3, instead of A 2, instead of B 3, minus 2, 6, 2, 6, 3. This is the A. Then we have to find the value of A inverse. Suppose the given matrix is orthogonal, we can find the A transpose, means it is equal to A inverse. No need to find the A inverse by using that formula. So they have given the given square matrix is orthogonal, so we can find A transpose for this. Minus 3, 2, minus 3, minus 2, 6, 2, 6, 3. This is known as the A inverse. Why? Because A transpose is equal to A inverse. So A inverse is equal to A transpose is equal to 1 by 7, 6 minus 3, 2, minus 3, 2, 6, 2, 6, 3. Thank you.